And once the app finishes searching and your lights respond, your Hue Bridge is successfully connected and ready to use. When everything is set up correctly, the Philips Hue Bridge connects smoothly and lets you control your lights without any issues. If prompted, make sure your Hue Bridge is running the latest software. Open the Philips Hue app, go to the Settings tab, scroll down, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, you'll see a green notification. Tap it and allow the update to complete for the best performance. During setup, follow the on-screen instructions in the app. When asked, press the physical button on top of the Hue Bridge. The app will automatically search for the bridge on your network and establish the connection. Before doing this, ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your Hue system to use. This step is important so the app can correctly detect and configure the bridge. To begin, open the Philips Hue app on your phone after installing it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once launched, the app will guide you through the setup process step by step. Make sure the Hue Bridge is properly connected to your router using the Ethernet cable provided. Plug one end into the Hue Bridge and the other end into an available Ethernet port on your Wi-Fi router. Also confirm the bridge is powered on by plugging in the power adapter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we walked you through how to connect your Philips Hue Bridge to Wi-Fi from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe for more useful smart home guides.